Morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So, my topic for today is comic strips. I am John Raison de Matera, Business English third year Block A. So, here is our our objectives for the discussion. Identify what is comic strip and its use through the image. Determine if an image is a comic strip by the content and appreciate the work of art. So, okay, so for introduction, comic strips is a series of adjacent drawn images, usually arranged horizontally, that are designed to be read as narrative or chronological sequence. The comic strip is essentially a mass medium printed in a magazine, newspaper, or a book. So, comic strips is usually can be seen in a newspaper or a magazine. So the definition of comic strips essentially containing text inscribed within balloons inside the picture frame. So here is the example of a comic strip. Okay, so here is the elements of comic strips. As you can see, we have caption, SFX or sound effects, gutter, panel, and speech balloons. So as I said earlier, there was a text inscribed which called balloons. So the speech or the dialogue within the character is speeches are contained with the balloon or speech bubbles. So you can see here is the gutter. The gutter is the gap between each panels. So as you can see, these panels is the sequencing or the chronological sequence within the comic strips. So as you can see, there are 8 got panels. So what is the caption? So the caption is the narrator. So it is the event that is going to happen that is going to be said by the narrator. So the SFX, so this is the sound effects. As you can see here, uh, the sound effect here is crash. So next example of a comic strip. Okay, so the next example of a comic strip is this image. As you can see, there are speech bubbles. So this is the dialogue or the conversation within each character. A gap, this is the gutter, and uh, there are no sound effects. And they have 6 panels. So each sequencing of the comic strips. So, kasama ba? So what is a comic strip? So comic strip and comic book is different. So a comic book is a bound collection of strips and that tells a single story or a gag or a joke. In a few panels or else a continuous story, most of the more popular newspaper comic strips eventually are collected over a varying period of time and published in a book form. Only in English language is a word comic used in connection with strips. Although now firmly established, it is misleading for early pre-19th century strip was seldom comic, either in form or in content. So we have another few examples of comic strips that usually be found in newspaper, magazines. Okay, so here is the another example of a comic strip that can be seen in a newspaper and magazines. So here, the first example was Garfield. So I found this in a newspaper which is on the internet, and this example for a uh, in a newspaper in 2022, 2021 during the COVID-19. And another example is this. So that's all. Here is my references for my report.